Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Total Picture Vlogs. If you saw last week's episode, you know that we have officially started our planting season for 2022. So that means that this week we've been rained out. Yep, as any farmer knows, weather's a fickle thing, and we've had to deal with a lot of it this week. So unfortunately, we've had to spend a lot of time inside and back of the facility, but that obviously doesn't mean that the work has stopped. So while we've been inside this week, I've actually been able to catch up with the maintenance team a little bit, and they're working on a few pieces of our facility to be ready for the harvesting this fall. So they have been working on our corn processing system. So first of all, our maintenance team has been replacing the rollers on our green sort. So these rollers are actually one of the first steps in our corn processing system. When our corn first gets here after harvest, they get sent up into green sort, and they'll end up going over a bed of these rollers that'll take its husk off. And from there, our corn will begin its process of being dried, shelled, and then sorted, treated, and all that stuff. And then further down the corn processing, our maintenance team is also working on our sheller, which is a big drum that our corn will tumble in once it's dried to get the kernels off the cob. So they had all this apart, and I'm a little afraid of heights, so I did some filming from the ground. But they've been working on getting our sheller back up and running, making sure that it's good to go for this fall. And finally, since I haven't been able to be out in the field, our farm team has actually spent some time back at our facility doing needed maintenance on our farm equipment. So they've been doing some fine-tune adjustments, making sure things are calibrated properly, making sure everything runs smoothly, just making sure our equipment's ready to go as soon as the weather breaks and we have a good day to go plant. So even though the weather's been putting us off a little bit, it doesn't mean our work is stopped. Our team has been killing it, and we're really excited for some weather to break so we can get back out in the fields and continue to plant our crop for this year. So that's what we've been up to this week. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If you want more content from us, you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.